Hi, this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to use uh, Neutron Drive's new service called the Cat Ranch. And what the Cat Ranch will do is set you up with a development virtual machine so that you can not only edit your code, but you can then go ahead and run it. Alright, so let's get started. So what you'll get once this is complete, so if you look over here to the left, is one of these servers. One of these neutron beam servers. And what the Cat Ranch is going to do is set these up for you automatically. And it's really easy. So now before we get started, the service works with a virtual provider called DigitalOcean. So you'll need to go in there. Their virtual machines start at $5 a month, so they're really cheap. And all you have to do is if you click on the API link on the left, create an API key. Right now mine are hidden, but you'll need the client ID and you're going to need your API key when it generates it. So let's go back to Neutron Drive and let's go ahead and set up a development VM. You're going to put in a username. Now you probably, since you're just getting started, you'll actually have to put in your client ID and your API key. I've already done that. And you'll hit save and it'll save it for you. You won't have to do that again. Alright, so let's go back. Put in a username. Put in a password. Right now, we're just supporting Ubuntu. We'll probably add CentOS in the near future here. So you want to go ahead and choose which version of Ubuntu. Let's just leave that as the default. I like long-term releases. Alright, so now we want to pick the size. Like I said, pick the smallest size. That will be $5 a month. You can check their pricing for the rest of the sizes. And then pick which region you want your virtual machine to be at. Pick whatever's closest to you. If there's nothing that's that close, that's alright. They're still going to be pretty fast. Alright, so let's go ahead and create this VM. Alright, so now this usually takes about 55 seconds to create your VM, and then another, I don't know, 30 or 40 seconds to set it up. That's what the Neutron Drive process does. So let's go ahead and we're just going to wait here. There's a little video. I won't spoil the surprise for you that you can watch while you're waiting for the setup. Let's just check to see if this is working. So you can see in my DigitalOcean account right here, it's starting to set up a virtual machine for us, and it's already active, so it's probably getting near completion here. And you can set up as many of these virtual machines as you want. Up to you. Delete them, set up more. You can also save your own images. So if you want to, have a particular setup and you need to set up multiple machines, go ahead and save your image on DigitalOcean, and you should be able to select it in that menu when you create the virtual machine. Alright, so there we go. There's our virtual machine, and you'll see that it creates a name for you automatically and maps a name for you. So we can go ahead and click on this. We don't have any code. Let's just create a test file here. Alright, so now let's say we went ahead and we programmed something in this file and we actually want to run it now. Alright, so let's go ahead and we're at ragamuffin-1523. So now we can go ahead and log into that machine. neutrondev.com. Alright. I'm just using the secure shell app that comes in the Chrome Web Store. Alright, so you can see we're logged into our machine. Neutron Drive creates a code directory for you automatically, and that's what's actually gets mapped to Neutron Drive. So let's go in there, and there you go. Now we could go ahead and run our code if we wanted to, do whatever we want. Now, if you're having problems connecting, like I said, it creates this name for you in DNS automatically so that you can connect to your server, but sometimes DNS is slow. It might take more than a couple seconds to propagate. So if you're having problems connecting via SSH, just go into your DigitalOcean account and log in with that IP address. And that's how you use the cat wrench with Neutron Drive. Thanks for watching.